Hello, it's Krzysiu. Welcome to my new series where I will be drawing things. Like this time I need to draw an icon. I don't know how to do it exactly, so I will be searching for proper ways to do it. So it's an icon for a Firefox add-on which will color visited links. Okay, so first thing we change proportions. We need pixels and square, so let's say 1000 per 1000, and as you see it's px pixels. We don't want other units here. Okay, it's square now. So first thing we will draw a label, link. I hope it's link. It's not link. Okay, link. And it's ugly, very ugly. Okay, but let's keep it for now. Or no, let's fix it. So path, object to path. And now let's delete those nodes and click on the line. It will select those nodes. And this button, delete segment, and same here. Delete segment, and now let's select those two nodes and join by new segment. Okay, and same here. We can see it's already here, but in fact it's open. Oh, not like this. Wait. Oh, you see it's open. Let's keep this stroke for now. Okay, select and join by a new segment. We can also make this node a single one like this. It's fine here. So let's keep it here and here. Okay, click on the line to select two nodes. Remove and remove here. And now let's select. Okay, like this. And this. And just here. Okay. This. Something wrong here. Oh. Now it's good. Okay. Wait. It's something wrong here. You see, it's in fact two nodes. And let's make it one here. Okay, now when I click, it works. Okay. This and here. Okay. This, and it's the gap is too large, so by new line, and same here. New line. Stroke adds smoothing, so let's turn it off so we can see our result. This looks fine, this looks fine, and this looks almost fine. Okay, I don't want this dot to be so far, so let's select it all and drag not by node modifier like here, but we have to choose exactly this one of the nodes, and you see Control and mouse wheel selects more or less nodes. Okay, it's all, I think, now for sure. Okay, so let's move it. Can we do it? Yeah, by arrows. Okay. Yeah, it's good. And this, can we select it? Oh, yes, okay. And something like that. It looks fine. Next thing we gonna need, okay, something different. Underline. We can't do it by text tool because Inkscape doesn't support underline. So let's just, now at first let's save it in case it crashes. Okay, icon. So underline, we draw a line. Fill, no. Stroke, yes. Okay, but we want a thicker one. Okay, it looks fine. I'm not sure if, okay, I think it could go further. Let's see, like this, and here a bit shorter. As you see, it changed because I got, when scaling objects, scale the stroke width by the same proportion. We turn it off, and now when we have 2 pixels, no, not pixels, because default is millimeters. So let's change to pixels, and 8, get 8, and now I'm changing size, and it's still the same stroke width. It looks bad, so let's move it. Okay, a bit larger. By pressing Shift, I'm proportionally changing the size. Here is without Shift, and with Shift. Okay, now we could group it, but you see now when we want to change the color, let's set red. This is stroke, and this is fill. And stroke, like this, no, it's not good, so we have to make it a stroke to path. Now the stroke is a path. Okay, this and Control key. So this, now it isn't a group but a single path. Okay, now we need a cog, gear, I'm sorry. Now let's try the build it one. Extensions, generate, render, gear. I don't know what is rug gear. Let's try it. Oh, it's something like that. No, we don't want that. Render, gear. Okay, let's keep the default parameters, at least for me. Apply. I'm not sure I want something like this. Let's keep it for a while. I don't know, is it group or one path? Ctrl-Shift-G to degroup. No, it's a single path, so... And, aha, this is the center of rotation. Okay, so path break apart. Should work. Oh, now Ctrl-G works. Do we want gear like that? I don't think so, so let's make on. Okay. Circle with control. It's a proportional cycle, not an ellipse. Now the spiky thing. Okay, Ctrl-Shift-A, align and distribute. Center here, relative to last selected. Okay, now it's even. Let's remove the stroke to have a nice preview. Okay, and Ctrl-D, and let's move it. Ctrl-D. Okay, by the way, this is very cool way to rotate by some angle, holding Control, and you can control this control in preferences, I think, interface, behavior, transforms, no. Now when I started it, I need to find it. It will take a moment. Oh, here, behavior steps, rotation snaps every, let's give it 30. Okay, and now it's like 2 steps, but 30 it's okay for us, but okay, let's keep it that way. And I will show how to make a cool thing like a cloak. Okay, here, remove fill, black stroke. Now we add the line, align. Okay, and now we want to have every 1 hour a stroke. Okay, 30 degrees, so just like we have now. Okay, let's turn on snapping and keep object midpoints and rotation centers. Okay, so now we click one time, it's moving here, and second time it's rotation, and we move this cross to the middle, and you see it snaps here. Rotation center, and now all we do is we have this rotation mode, so Ctrl-D with hold shift all the time, I mean Ctrl-D, move, and now we can do something like this, Ctrl-D, move, Ctrl-D, Ctrl-D, Do we have doubles? No, I don't think so. Okay, and now we have something like this. Very even, pixel precise. Okay, let's back to our cog. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's try something like this. I mean, I like it, but could be better. Okay, 8. Now let's duplicate it, Ctrl D. I like to work on copies, in case it will be bad. Okay, now you see I'm selecting the foremost object, but the trick is, okay, click here and home, and now it's always on the top, as you see. Okay, delete it, and I don't know if we can make it straight. I mean, the rotation is all weird, so object properties, and I don't see anything with the rotation here. So let's try layers and objects. Okay, it's this, and I mean, I want XML Editor. Okay, here. And it's already selected. It selects automatically. Okay, this, and transform, center, no, translate, and we see here, no, this is not that. Which one will be? Okay, let's try here. No, no, or actually, yeah, it's that. So oh, this, no, 0.1, okay, no, but this 8 thingies, so all right. It must be a comma, I think. Okay. This doesn't work as well. Let's try it like this. This is scale. This will be y x, so not this. I don't have a clue. It's not pixel precise, but let's keep it. Okay. Scale down. Red. No stroke. Turn off snapping. Let's group it. And align. Does it look better? I think so. Just a bit smaller. Okay, so now we can do object. You know what? If we want to edit it, I mean like corners rounded. Can we have negative? Yes, I don't know what does it do, but no. Okay, but let's keep a copy of that. Whoa, what was that? Okay, and this goes to trash. Okay, object, path, object to path. One group, okay. Path, object to path. And now, yeah, it looks good. And now union, Control plus, and now it's a single path. Beautiful. You see, and now I want something different because it's a wrong stroke style. I hope it's selected. No. No. Now it's okay. And stroke style. No. Because it's not a stroke, but a rectangle. Okay. No, I like this. I mean, which one is that? Okay, this is the final one. Okay, so let's keep it. And now let's make it smaller. This is the auto-generated one versus ours. I like ours better. Let's make the hole inside. Control A, align. Okay, this and Control minus. All right. At this point, we can already make a background. Let's make it square. Now change the corners. If you want to be holding Control, it will change us one edge. So with Control, it's much nicer. Okay, let's make it something like this. Relative to page and this, so it's exactly here. And now snapping again, and let's snap it to OK. Now we have background. Perfect. I don't know yet what kind of background I want. Let's try a pink one. Orange. Let's try this cog at first. I mean gear or cog, I don't know the difference. It looks like fish, so maybe not really. Fill, and let's try different colors. Alright, I like this one. No. And now if I want to select just this cog, I'm clicking here and it moves. So right click locked selected objects, and now we can select. And if we want to edit something, it's right click and unlock, and we can now move it. Okay, lock. Like this. Okay, let's try like this. Now duplicate it 2 times. Link. Just like Bobcat links in Latin. I think it should be a bit smaller. Okay, group it and align. Okay, and 2 different colors. One will be, let's say, red, and one green. Maybe this cog should be smaller. And this a bit smaller. Relative to page, center. Okay. And now I would want an arrow, but a very special kind of arrow. Let's try that. Shift and click is for the stroke. No. Something like that, okay. But much bigger. Much bigger. Much. Millimeters. And rounding errors. Okay. Let's move it for a while. Now Control D. H for horizontal flip. Select both. Are both selected? As you see, I'm checking by giving them a fill, a stroke color. Align, and one of these, I don't remember which one. Close, but yeah. Let's make it like this. Okay. And Control plus, no. First path, stroke to path. And Control plus now. Let's see. Okay. Now we can delete this additional node. And to make it look good, remove the segment and add segment. Okay, now it's even, and now a triangle for the, I don't know how to call it, the arrow itself. Okay, triangle. I don't care if it looks good for now or not. Just draw 3 lines. Select the lower nodes, align here, and select all, and here. And now it's perfect triangle. But no stroke. Thank you very much. Okay. Let me make it smaller. like this, and okay, and we can maybe double it. Group just to make it in the middle. Okay, and now I would want to join everything where it's yes, it's stroke. Okay, this and this and this and Control plus, and now we have a single path, hopefully. Yes. Okay. We can also do select same fill color. Okay. And now let's check different kinds of stroke. I mean of color. It looks very nighty. Maybe if we would move it. I don't know. Then it was group inside group, so my usual shortcut is Control Shift G. So now one idea more. No, it's not very well visible, so no, it's too messy in my opinion. And how about this? No. Maybe just a single one. Okay, and I think in order to fix it, we can change the background of this color. Unlocked objects. Okay, and now it looks much better, but okay, let's make it white, and here light gray, very light. Or maybe the same. And this should be lighter. No. I don't know. Maybe this lighter a bit. No. Or maybe this. Okay, it's not that bad, it's not perfect, but I hope you learned one or two things about, like a draw triangle, like how rotate objects, make locks or gears, and if it would be on the top, maybe it's better, I don't know. But still something wrong is with that color. Okay, now it's better. And the thing is, because our perception of colors, of the lightness of the color is not just the value. So value in this context. We always use HSV. And RGB is not very helpful for us, because what is that? HSL or V, and the perception of the color is not directly, it's not only a value, but when we change the hue alone, it changes how we perceive the lightness. You see, this seems very dark, this much lighter. Sometimes red is not as dark as blue, but also a bit darker. You can do special calculations to calculate the proper color. And now let's just see how it looks in the smaller size. I really hate it, but I don't have any idea for now. Let's just try stroke. Tiny bit better, I think. But now we have to do properties and resize to content. Okay, it's precise again. Okay, and now view, icon preview. It's not quite visible in the smaller icon, but it's unique, and if you know the bigger icon, which will be shown in some cases, you see this is just the same as this. If you want to have a smaller aliasing, you should change all the coordinates to even numbers. It doesn't help that much, but a bit. No. Okay, now it should be a bit better. But again, this green is too dark or not. Let's keep it that way. Okay, and we can now Ctrl-Shift-E to export. Or actually, I don't want to export it because I will be using SVG. So File, Save As, and plain SVG. Save, yes, replace. Okay, and that's all. Thank you very much. I hope you like this formula. I try my best to describe what I was doing exactly in these tutorials, so it will be easier to find. And in the next episodes, I hope you will learn more usable things. And what I want the most is the workflow from idea to finished result. With thinking how to do it. Can I do it this way or maybe that way? I hope you like it. Thank you very much. Goodbye. Proper tools. I mean, finding, searching, finding, searching, finding, search. I need to